The Middle East economy is worth almost 5 trillion and growing fast. These 6 Arabic business terms could be your competitive edge. Marhaban, I'm HosnyEbrahim and I teach modern standard Arabic for professionals. Whether you're doing business in Dubai, Saudi Arabia or Qatar, knowing these terms shows cultural intelligence and opens doors. Sharika, company or business. You will see this everywhere, from Sharika, Aramco to local businesses, essential for any business conversation. Sharika. اجتماع meeting. اجتماع لدينا اجتماع. We have a meeting. Critical for scheduling and professional communication. اجتماع. عقد contract. In a region where relationship building is everywhere, knowing this word shows you understand business seriousness. عقد. وقع العقد means the contract was signed. استثمار means investment. With Vision 2030 in Saudi Arabia and massive infrastructure projects, this word is gold. استثمار جديد means a new investment. استثمار جديد. ربح means profit. هذا ربح جيد. This is a good profit. Essential for financial discussions. ربح. شراكة partnership. Middle Eastern businesses build on relationships. نريد شراكة طويلة الأمد. We need a long-term partnership. شراكة. The Middle East is experiencing unprecedented economic growth. Saudi Arabia alone is investing 500 billion in new projects. Speaking their business language literally gives you an edge in this trillion-dollar market. Ready to unlock Middle East business opportunities? Follow me for more business Arabic. Comment, are you planning to do business in the Arab world? Say this if you're serious about Middle East business success. Shukran and see you in the next video. Salam.